Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So I went to buy some cookie, visited some biscuiterie in Bretagne. And on my way back home, I just driving through this beautiful, beautiful country road. And I saw this église, a little chapelle, and it's so beautiful. Look at it. The hortensia, so typical French. I mean, so typical Bretagne. And a little église with a beautiful flower, fresh and bright and shiny, and it's very, very, very quiet, and you feel that you are lost in a piece of land that is so beautiful that you do not need to worry about other things. You by yourself, so insignificant. This place must have a lot of stories, must have a great love story, great life story. And now it's all gone. This granite stone church exist still there, telling us the history that we do not know, but we can feel, but we can guess, but we can imagine, we can make up the stories. History are stories. We are stories. We are inside a piece of time that is so short, yet it feels like eternity. I do not know. I just feel this place is like an eternity. Do I make any sense? Time can stop. Things can stop. Yet time is going on. Things are happening. And if we live our life every day just like another day, just casually, just comfortably, that is enough. Enough. We are enough. And we are okay. And we have eyes to see beauty. We have heart to feel beauty, to feel our feeling, to feel the feeling, the emotion of the universe. isn't it? Interesting.